Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the Man Fam. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you a bunch of back-to-school hairstyles that are very easy and very cute. This year, I'm going to be a sophomore in high school, and I cannot believe that back-to-school season is already here. A bunch of you guys have been telling me that you've already started or you're gonna start next week, which is absolutely crazy because I feel like summer just started. But anyways, back-to-school season is upon us, and we need to have clean, healthy, and cute hair. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Pardon the interruption. Before we even get into the hairstyles, we need to prep our hair. As you guys know, the sun can do a lot of damage to your hair as well as chlorine. We need to fix that. So right now I'm going to show you guys my Sunday routine of what I do when I shower once a week. Typically when I shower every day, I use these two products in my hair, the Sunbum Blonde Shampoo and Conditioner. However, today we are going to be using two new ones, also known as my once a week shampoo and conditioner routine. Sunbum just came out with the Detox Shampoo as well as the Revitalizing Hair Mask. I put on a swimsuit because this is a PG channel, but basically I'm going to do like a voiceover and show you guys how I use these two products. Alright fam, so the first product I'm going to share with you guys is the Sunbum Detox Shampoo. So like I mentioned earlier, because this is my once a week shampoo, I don't use it every day like I do with my blonde shampoo and conditioner. Some things I wanted to share with you guys about this unique shampoo is that it's sulfate free and Sunbum uses apple cider vinegar to clean your hair. So what I like to do is put a fair amount into my hands, rub it together, and then just massage it into my hair. Alright, this next product definitely has to be my favorite out of the three of them. I'm going to be showing you guys the Revitalizing Hair Mask. This hair mask is perfect to use right after the detox shampoo. It basically acts as a conditioner that should be used once a week. What I've noticed after using this hair mask is that my hair feels so hydrated, super bouncy, and super clean. So what I like to do is use half of the packet because Sunbum is very generous and they give you a big amount. Once I get out of the shower, I comb my hair out with my Sunbum comb. And then next I will be using the 3-in-1 repair spray, which I will talk about later in the video. But I spray about 5 to 6 squirts in my hand and then rub it together and just massage it throughout my scalp. See you in 2 days. Alright guys, so my hair is literally so soft from last night. Before I show you guys the hairstyles, I'm going to go in with the Sunbum 3-in-1 Repair Spray. I already put this in my hair earlier, but I'm just going to put it in again because you can never get too much of Sunbum. What I've noticed after using this is my hair does not feel as damaged. One, because it's been colored before, but also my split ends have not been as noticeable. So using this, I'm going to spray like 6 sprays around my hair. And then I'm going to grab my ends and spray. Then I'm going to go in with a comb, and I usually use a comb for this instead of a brush just because it's softer on my hair. If you guys are looking for a great comb, I'll link Sunbum's comb down below. This is my favorite one. It's also really cute, so it kind of makes you feel even more put together for the school day. Alright, so now that my hair is brushed out, let's start off with the hairstyles. I'm not sure how many hairstyles I'm going to end up doing, but there's going to be 3 different types, if that makes sense. So the first type is going to be for people who have middle parts because finding middle part hairstyles can be kind of hard sometimes. I'm also going to show you guys some side part hairstyles because typically I do part my hair on the side, but lately I've been parting in the middle. And then I'm going to show you guys some hairstyles with curled hair.
Okay, wait, just kidding, I lied. I realized that you can do this with any hairstyle, no matter if it's straight or curly.
Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. Thank you so much Sunbum for sponsoring today's video. Seriously guys, they are my favorite brand ever, and their 3 new products, which you can find at Ulta, are perfect for back to school, fixing all the sun damage that the sun has done. So I will link them all down below, and my hair is so soft. I can't even explain to you guys. It smells like bananas and just heaven. Also, my new song Seaside is out on Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Music, and a bunch more. So make sure to go download it and buy it. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video.